Hey YouTubers, Gentru here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So today, I brought it inside. I just recently had surgery, so I'm okay. It was a hernia surgery, but I just was like, been on the in, kind of doing a lot of light stuff. I haven't been able to lift. So I thought, what a great time to go ahead and dial in my backpacking kit, right? So then I'm doing that, and I'm in here and I'm weighing all my stuff because I like to know. I'm trying to get my pack weight to like 20 pounds with my base gear, or less if I can, not including food or water. So, because that always depends on the trip. The gear does too, but food and water does mainly. I don't really like to carry too much with me, but as most backpackers know, if you like to eat like myself, you end up bringing enough food for like 10 days and you feed half the thru hikers you see. But anyway, side joke. So one of the things I was thinking about is pack liners. And, there's a lot that are out there. Sorry, I almost dropped something. There's a lot out there that you can buy, different pack liners and things like that. And I love pack liners. I think they're a great idea. It's something that I've been doing for a very long time. I lose all the stuff sacks and all that stuff. And I use a pack liner for my clothes mainly and my sleeping bag, my sleep system, and my spare clothes, like my camp clothes. So I've been using a pack liner for 15, 20 years. But what I use is a really cheap, inexpensive, and it's actually lighter than the pack liners that are on the market. It's a compactor bag. You can buy them at the grocery store in the trash bag aisle, like with all the trash bags. I buy the store name brand, and it's called a compactor liner. Hold on, let me see if I can find the bag. Let me look at my stuff here. Yeah. So they're like $2, if you can see that. It's just a compactor bag. You see that? It's going to be backwards, but that's what I use. And they're super lightweight. I'm going to show you right now because I have my little scale here. So I'm going to turn on my scale. Okay. Make sure you can see me. My scale here. And I'm going to drop this weight on it. Okay. So that we can tell that the scale is cool. Alright, so it's 16 ounces right there, 1 pound. And then I'm going to take this compactor bag. It weighs 2.5 ounces. 2.5 ounces, okay? Now, I was looking at some of the pack liners and the large ones, which I can't imagine you wouldn't, or medium, they were between 4 and 5 plus ounces for the medium and the large. I don't know how much the small weighed. I think it was like 3.6 or something like that. So I don't know about you guys, but 2.5 is a lot lighter than 4 or 5.1. So to me, this weighs 2.5 ounces. And for a box, I forget how many come in the box, 4. So you get 4 per box. And they're not even $5 for the 4. I was looking at some of these pack liners, and they're like $35, $40, and you beat the shit out of them. Sorry for cursing, but it's just, I like practical, because to me that's what it's all about. Being in the woods, it's like practical knowledge, right? Using your knowledge, and you're trying to, I like to be thrifty, not really cheap. I'll buy a $300, $500 sleeping bag. I don't care about that. I'll save up the money. I'll figure it out. But I don't really like to spend money if I don't have to. If I have a solution that's, this simple, then I'll do it. The only cool thing about the pack liners is they have that roll top, like dry bag. But if you tie a good, you spin it around, you like twirl it, and then twist it and tuck it, that's as good as a seal as you need. Your gear will stay nice and waterproof, wet free, dry, down in the bottom of your pack, and you won't even have to worry about it. So I hope you like my video today. Just a little tip, backpacker hack. something I've been doing for years, and I was like thinking about it. And you know those little flash ads that you get when you're, you know, on your social media. So I had a pack liner go through, and I was like, oh, geez, you know, I just was curious about them. I had watched a couple YouTube videos on hiking because I've been sitting home, and I saw like so many people that using these pack liners, and I was like, geez, I want to look into that and see what that's about. Then I was looking at the weight and stuff because I was considering getting one. I just didn't know how much they weighed. And when I was looking at the weight, I said, geez, I'm going to go and weigh this compact bag, the compact liner or whatever it's called, and just see where it compares, like where it lines up there. And when I saw that it was 2.5 ounces and it was significantly less than the pack liners, I was like, boom, that's a YouTube video. Let's go. So I grabbed my phone. Here we are today. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want. And hopefully we can hang out again soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.